Welcome to Kanama Cooks. We are making a delicious Jaffna style prawn masala today. We are making the prawn masala in a clay pot today. Keep the pot on the stove and let it heat up. When the pot is hot, add in couple of tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, add in the mustard seeds, FENUGREEK seeds, roughly chopped green chillies, and a couple of sprigs of curry leaves. Saute for a few seconds for the mustard seeds to crackle. Once the mustard seeds crackles, add in the sliced shallots. Shallots add a nice sweetness to the curry. Take a mortar and pestle and crush some ginger and garlic. No need to make a fine paste, just a coarse paste will do. Add in the crushed ginger and garlic to the pot. Add in the salt. The salt will help in cooking the shallots faster. Saute till the shallots are soft and they start to change into a light brown color. Now let's get the spice powders ready. Take some red chilli powder. Adjust the spice powders according to your taste. Here is some coriander powder. This is Sri Lankan style curry powder. I will leave the recipe for Sri Lankan style curry powder in the description below if you are interested. If you don't have Sri Lankan style curry powder, any good curry powder will work in this recipe. Also take some turmeric powder and black pepper powder. Now add in all these spice powders to the pot at once. After adding the spice powders, do not fry for long. Saute briefly for a few seconds. After sauteing, add in about half a cup of water. Now here I have some lemongrass with me, the root part. Just bruise the lemongrass a little bit so the essence of the lemongrass can get into the curry. Add in the bruised stalks of the lemongrass to the pot. Add in the pandan leaves. Pandan leaves are also called as ramba ilai in Tamil and they make the curry very fragrant. If you cannot source it, you can just omit it. Add in our prawns. After adding the prawns, just mix everything well to combine. If the curry is very thick at this stage, add in a little water to dilute the curry. Cover the pot with the lid and cook the curry for 5 to 6 minutes. The Moringa ilai or the Moringa leaves are a mainstay in Tamil diet. In Jaffna, it's added to seafood dishes. The flavor of Moringa leaves nicely pairs with the prawns. Once the prawns are cooked, we will add in the Moringa leaves to the pot. Cook for a few minutes for the leaves to cook and wilt. Once the leaves are wilted, add in the coconut milk. Thick pressed milk or canned coconut milk will work fine in this recipe. Let the curry simmer briefly for a couple of minutes. Switch off the flame and add in the lime juice. The little acidity nicely balances the richness of coconut milk and the spices. Our delicious Jaffna style prawn masala is ready. Serve hot with rice. Hope you liked this recipe. If you try this recipe at home, please don't forget to leave a comment below. Also show us some love by hitting that like, share and subscribe buttons. Thank you so much for watching and until next time, it's Suguna signing off and happy cooking. Bye.